Make a great choice today with the 2020 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear step bumper, heated mirrors, trailer brake controller, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, integrated turn signal mirrors. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.